In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record personal expenses and owner draws in QuickBooks Online. Keeping these separate from business spending keeps your books accurate and prevents personal purchases from showing up as deductible business costs. I'll walk you through the exact workflow, and along the way I'll share tips to avoid common mistakes. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing into your company. From the dashboard, click the plus New button, sometimes labeled Create. Under the Suppliers category, choose Expense. This screen is where you'll tell QuickBooks who was paid, how, and why. In the Payee field, enter the name of the person, vendor, or yourself if this was a personal transaction. Naming the payee helps with reporting later. Next, choose the payment account, the account the money actually came from, such as your business checking account. Confirm the payment date. It defaults to today, but you can change it to the actual date the money left your account. Then select the payment method, like cash, check, or debit card, so your records match your bank. Now, focus on the category details. In the category column, choose Owner's Draw for personal withdrawals, which moves money out of the business for your personal use without affecting profit and loss. If you prefer to track personal spending separately, choose Personal Expenses. If Owner's Draw isn't listed, click Add New. Pick Equity as the account type, name it Owner's Draw, and save. Using these equity or personal categories is important. It keeps personal items off your business expense reports. Enter the amount you're recording. If you need context for yourself or your accountant, add a short description on the line. You can also use the memo box at the bottom for a fuller note, such as owner withdrawal for personal use, so it's crystal clear later. If you have a receipt or bank confirmation, click Add Attachment to store that document directly with the transaction, which is helpful for audits and year-end reviews. Before you save, double-check that the subtotal and total match what left your account. This quick review prevents reconciliation headaches down the road. When everything looks right, click Save and Close to finish, or Save and New if you have another personal expense or owner draw to record. As a reminder, these entries reflect personal use of business funds and shouldn't be categorized as business expenses on the profit and loss. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.